everybody, Royal Heart here, and I'm joined by Candy.
Hi!
And we're reviewing the MLP episode Sounds of Silence.
Yes.
I have Candy here because I know before this episode even came out and before they even designed an MLP, Kieran, you drew them.
Always. Tons of them.
Tons of them. So, how do you feel about their design?
They did extremely well. I am very happy with it. I think the only difference between a regular Kieran and the way they did it is that Kierans are supposed to have more of an antler instead of a horn. But I'm still very happy with their decisions.
Yeah, I really like how it turned out. I'm really glad they decided to add that in there after having the hippogriffs and the griffins and all that.
Yes, I'm very happy that they're branching out into much, much more.
Yeah, yeah. Even the different styles of ponies, like the Saddle Arabians and stuff like that.
It brings out the point that Equestria isn't necessarily the world, it's their country.
Yeah, it does.
It just happens to be where they are.
Yep.
But there's way more out there.
Yeah, it is. So the episode begins with Twilight being happy that the same pairing has been called again.
Yep.
Twilight's a nerd. Just saying.
Yeah, she is.
But, yeah. Fluttershy is, like, freaking out because of the name of the place.
Right.
And we all know why. Because apparently things are usually justified by their names. But
always. Pony logic since day one.
Pony logic since day one. Pony 101.
If it sounds bad, it is bad.
It is bad. Exactly.
The worse it sounds, the worse it is.
What did you think about Autumn Blaze?
She was adorable.
She was adorable, and then she became like the guy from what's the show?
Oh, I don't remember.
The guy that has the ball and says Wilson.
Yeah, I still don't know.
I still don't know either, but she basically became that.
Yeah.
When I seen all those objects, I'm just like, Wilson! That's literally the first thing that came to my head and the first thing I yelled watching this. But, yeah, apparently the leader decided that they needed to take a vow of silence and get rid of all their emotions because of the fact they couldn't control their anger.
Whole episode about anger management, about flipping time.
Finally.
And how much they go through.
Oh my god.
And I like the fact that they point out that anger has to happen in order for true happiness to be there.
Yeah, like the song covered that really well.
So you gotta take the good with the bad.
Yep.
Or the bad with the good.
Gotta have rain before you can have a rainbow.
Yep.
I mean, the song hit the nail on the head.
Yes, exactly.
I thought it was a really well done episode.
Everything about it, I think, rounded out perfectly.
I do too. I have no critiques for this one. I think they done it very nice. They kept it well paced.
Yeah.
I love this episode. I have no negative comments. That's why this is probably going to be a real short review for this episode.
Really, yeah, because you can't really... I mean, if I was to say something negative about it, I would really, really have to be fishing for it.
Yeah, like, really, really digging into it. Like, if you would have noticed a animation error, that probably would have been the only negative in here.
Right.
But then again, they work on like 1,000 episodes a freaking week, so...
Yeah, you gotta expect mistakes from time to time.
Yeah, you can't expect perfection every time.
Yeah, they do what they do.
And so what I'm gonna do is I already drew me and you both as Kieran's.
Of course.
Of course I did.
I drew you as a Kieran long before the episode even.
Yeah, I know
came
you did.
Instant.
Yeah, I know you did. But I drew us in their style of Kieran, and it's gonna be on this whole entirety of this video, so that's gonna be fun. I thought about making one of us the Nixon. Is it Nixon?
I think so. Sounds right.
I think that's right. I thought about making one of us the one that's on fire, and I was like, that would be too hard to draw. I'm not doing that.
I might have to do that.
Just draw one of us in fire. Just you hyper off your butt, and then I would just be like, I'm trying to work. Just
right.
But yeah. No, this episode was great. I loved it. I have no critiques. I just love how it was done.
I watched it like 3 times in a row when I first got done with it.
I watched it.
I want to see that again.
Yeah. I want to see it again. Do it again. Like, I watched it once. I watched it when it first came out. And then I just rewatched it before we did this because it's been a while since I seen it.
Right.
But I would legit go back and watch it again. That's how good this episode was.
Yes, totally. I kind of would like to see more of the Karens, but I understand why they probably won't.
Honestly,
for the last season.
Yeah, for the last season. Honestly, what I would like to see, we can go ahead and go into this a little bit here because we've literally already reviewed the episode. I honestly want to see in season 9 how Twilight's school is there and everything. I want to see a few Kieran in the school now, just like in the background.
Right. Kieran's would be amazing at the school.
Yeah, exactly.
It would be theater because they like to sing.
That reference to Phantom of the Opera, though.
Right?
That was amazing. That was amazing. When I first seen that, I was like, wait a minute. Is that Phantom of the Opera?
Right?
That was amazing. I'm glad they did something like that.
Oh.
Wow.
There are so many things they did that made this episode right.
Yes, there is.
All the little details.
Yeah. But the episode was great. And I think that's all we can literally say on this.
Yeah. I was going to say, I think we stressed that enough, and we've already been off about everything else about it.
Yeah. So, Candy and I can't wait to see what you guys think of the episodes down in the comments below. And we'll see you guys next time. Remember to always follow your hearts. Bye, guys.
Bye!